Fuller hair, one hair at a time, allows your hair to grow freely. A breakthrough technology has now been invented. Introducing the invention of the microstrand. When single human hairs are fed onto these microstrands and blended in between your hairs, it's virtually impossible to see or feel anything but fuller hair. Hair has been added directly up front in this hairline. Do you see anything other than her own natural growing hair? Let's now remove these microstrands from in between her hairs to better understand this breakthrough technology. The invention of the InvisaBlend microstrands now allows you to make your hair fuller and longer anywhere on your head, no matter what hair situation, and while allowing your hair to grow freely. To make your hair fuller or longer, you need to keep your hair healthy simultaneously. The hair stranding concept, due to the invention of the microstrand, improves the health of your hair simultaneously. The invention of the microstrand now can make your hair fuller or longer while allowing your hair to grow and stay healthy. Even hairlines can be filled in while allowing your hair to grow fully. Look, hair was added directly up front in this hairline. Do you see anything but growing hair?